discuss how to set up your Minuteman TRS touch-free restroom cleaning machine. The first thing to tackle is simply filling up the TRS with water. The quickest way to knock this out is by making use of the wide opening to the solution tank on the front. You can do so by making use of a 5-gallon bucket or fill hose. If you don't have one of those available to you, you can also make use of the sink adapter to fill the machine. Once you've filled up the solution tank and loaded up any tools you need, it's a piece of cake to transport the TRS to the job at hand. Even when fully loaded, this compact machine can fit through just about any standard-sized doorway. Ideally, you'll position the TRS just inside or outside the door of the area you'll be tackling. Then, lock up the front casters to ensure the machine stays in place while cleaning. Next, plug in your machine. We'd recommend plugging the machine in using an outlet outside the restroom or area you're cleaning, so the cord doesn't get in the way or get wet or coated in, well, we'll call it debris. Before you get started, be sure to do a quick pass through the restroom and pick up any trash on the floor, flush toilets, and make sure all the toilet seat lids are down. The best practice for restroom cleaning with the TRS is to work from the top down. The first thing to knock out here is any necessary dusting. Things like air vents, window sills, tops of partitions, or any surfaces like that. This will knock all that debris onto the floor, but you'll pick it up later with the squeegee tool. For dusting up high, connect the blow dry tool to the end of the squeegee wand for a longer reach. Use the hand screw at the end to secure it in place. Then connect the blower hose to the end of the wand. Next, connect the other end of the blower hose to the blower port located at the bottom of the machine. Simply flip the vacuum switch to activate the vacuum motor. Again, be sure you begin dusting from the highest point and work your way down. Up next is how to prime the pump on the TRS. On the rear of the machine, towards the bottom, rotate the handle towards rinse mode and the power prime valve towards the prime position. Using the switches up top on the handle, turn on the vacuum and pump motor, and place your hand over the vacuum intake for about 20 to 30 seconds. Remove your hand and turn off the vacuum and pump. Make certain that you switch the power prime valve back towards the run position, or you'll have no pressure to work with while cleaning. The last step in setting up your TRS is taking care of your automatic chemical metering system. Read the instructions for the disinfectant or cleaning chemical you're using to find the correct dilution ratio. Secure the jug into the slot on the TRS and reference the metering tip chart that's included with the TRS to choose the correct tip you'll need. Screw the tip into the top of the siphoning lid. Slide the hose into the chemical jug and tighten. Next, install the clear siphon hose over the tip as shown. Turn the mode selector back over from rinse to soap to prepare for pre-spraying the restroom. Nice! Your TRS is all set up. You're now ready to move on to pre-spraying the restroom with your cleaning chemical.